Oh, you find watch your box cover. Man, you holy man. Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm crab hunting. Crab hunting, yes. You know, crab hunting has been a favorite thing to do for me. I've only done it once really, but I've always wanted to come back to do it. Called up a cousin of mine in the country, and man, he was more than ready. He pulled a couple of guys with him. I took my daughter as well, Ali. Ali, say hi. Hi. And so, by the way, she's spending more time on the beach than hunting crabs. But man, this is fascinating. And right now, they're in the morass hunting crabs. They're doing some amazing stuff to catch crabs. I have the highlights. I'm going to share some of that with you right now. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos like these capturing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm on my way. I'm gonna do crab hunting today. I'm looking forward to this. What about you? Alright guys, well, we're here. We're here. I met up with the guys, the gentlemen who are gonna show us how to do crab hunting. So we are actually going through a little trail here, apparently going closer to the seaside. But as you can see, it's a lot of bush. All part of the adventure though. Crab hunting in Jamaica. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's a little bit, the grass here is a little high. I'm starting to wonder now if I really should have driven the car here. This is high. Alright, let's see. So clearly this is the sort of back road, the trek that's gonna take us to where the crabs are. So I'm gonna try to remain calm and enjoy the adventure. Alright. I'm not worried about safety per se. It's just the fact that this is getting the bush, the grass here is seems to be getting taller and taller. I'm not sure if the car is going to be able to manage it, but let's see. Guys, so we're here. This is the swamp area. So these are the holes that typically that the crab would hide into, something like that. See that? Yeah, that's your home. That's where they run into. Alright, and that's where these gentlemen here would stick their hands in if they see one. Would they happen to find one. But this is an interesting adventure, I'm telling you. Oh, you spot one?
So you know when I tell you, yo. Oh yeah, I'm not digging man. I'm not digging man.
No, I want to take your farm man.
I want to the fire. I want out here.
Careful in the bath.
Good man.
We don't say they're good like that. But I'll be careful still. Oh, you find watch your box cover. Man, you holy man. Hold up for a minute, man. So what kind of crab that you know?
I'm a man crab.
Oh, you know?
It's in Poreso.
Oh, you not see nothing in there?
No, you see, you man want them smaller, but you see, you man want them,
Yeah.
with them broad come away, so.
Okay.
Show you them.
Alright, nice. Alright guys, we got one crab here. This is the old soldier. Yeah man, that's the old soldier. This hole looks a little active. Seems as if one might have been here recently. Here. Alright, but we're not seeing anything here, so gonna have to leave this one. See one down in the hole or something. You can manage him, see me. Do you know if you didn't get there? Yeah man, you catch him. Never, you run out man, see me.
Pull him here, for me, you know. If you mark him, I'm out. What about? You're best mark, yes, man.
No, but...
man want this again.
No, man, put them down the bag man. My bag in the car though. All of this water and mud here, guys, is part of the habitat. It's part of the habitat for the crabs. Alright. You want to hold it on a hollow?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we think we find something here. There's a hollow sound there which suggests that there's crab. There's a hole under there. So let's see. Mosquito man.
Yeah.
So I can back that.
I feel again.
See the scene before?
No, and I won't live, you know. So
Oh.
they in there.
Okay. Yeah.
They won't let me put my water and we don't see them run.
Yeah. So you see that feeling? Yeah man, you just touch your while ago. Alright guys, we careful enough. Aim that. At the back that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, be careful man.
Yeah, can I bite you?
You bite you, yeah?
Yeah.
So I him that you feel like your choke.
Yeah, him man.
Okay.
One of my thumb fruit.
So you go. Oh, that
Now
right.
looking for that thumb fruit.
You have something kind of choke him and pull him.
Yeah, you have it.
The hook my face. Yeah. Alright. I think, alright, up to a lot of work that one. Alright, so tell me about this one now.
Yeah, man crab, same way.
Man crab?
Yeah.
Alright. Sister broad and him, the big one man.
Yeah, I'm big.
And I'm collecting him a different color too.
Yeah man, I think you're red.
Oh, you see
so this one you can bust up the other one then.
Oh.
Definitely burst up the other one and kill them, you know.
Alright, so that's a nice one guys, that's a nice one. It's a nice big one, good. Work the effort, man. Another one. Oh yeah, try hook him. Alright. I want the smaller look like.
Yeah, one day.
Smaller. I'm that. I will pour it this yeah man. In both I'm that.
Okay, gang for one and gang.
Oh, see me, yeah. But careful man, how you hold it
So
man?
when I gang come out and I can't back me.
Alright, so this is it. Alright, so
woman.
let me see him now. Hold on, how you know?
See this, you have brown broad.
Oh, there's a brother.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a female one.
Yeah, this is the female.
Oh, so that's why they did this with the male.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Two of them. The two of them. Alright. A male and a female, guys. Guys, and guess what? On the other side of the crab walk is the beach. That's a beautiful thing. Look at that. Wow. And that's Ali, guys. Ali is with me on the crab hunting today. Alright guys, so typically, so this is what we call the crab bush. It's a seaside really, and this is where the crabs hang out. Usually they're out of their holes more on when the rain falls. Alright, so there's a crab hole again. Another crab hole. Alright. Spot one again.
Yeah.
And then the root again, man.
Root them up.
About him that?
Yeah, I'm not touch ya.
Oh, oh.
All I'm coming.
Oh, alright. Alright guys, so we have another one here, but this one is proving to be a little challenging. Alright, so you have him? Catch him. Alright, so is that woman one?
Man.
The man one, or the little man?
Yeah, but take one small one, woman like I'm already up in the bag, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
two will get out of the water.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Alright. Did I catch one, man? One big one. Wow, I'm going to bite you.
Come on.
Box cover.
I wish this could come back.
Alright, careful, sir, careful.
Yeah, when I'm man, that is.
Yeah, man, I want a huge man. So when you chop this, now what you say though?
No, they get the bust up here, that one in my bag.
Oh,
And then we use that one and burst them up, you know.
Oh.
And kill them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, it's another man.
Yeah, man.
Man, alright. And you say because of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, say, man.
Alright, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Healthy one, you say?
I help you on this one.
Yeah, man. Alright, nice. Thank you there. Yo. What's the cover? You catch him?
Get him on. Get him here.
Gone. You feeling? You feeling?
Okay, well, now taking time of way.
Alright guys, so as part of the adventure, you know, we always try to find other stuff, and I think this is what we call nickel. I don't have a clue. I'm gonna research it. I don't remember. It's a nickel, and we played marbles with them back in the days. Okay, nickel.
Today I did see a crab in a show by me.
Where?
Yeah,
Come show me.
like a red thing, come back.
So Ali believes that she just saw a crab, so she's taking me to where she saw it. Let's see. Where?
There was a pink ribbon thing.
Way down the road.
You gotta fry him, Daddy. That beautiful egg.
Lots and lots of nickel. Lots and lots of nickel, we call them. You used to use them to play marbles, guys, remember? Duck ants nest here, guys. Duck ants nest.
Guy,
Catch him.
want to go that one up fast. See him hold him.
Nice. You have to move quickly. Alright.
Hold him back. He big young man, so hold him away to the fast party.
Yeah, come on,
Come here.
Yeah,
Go with him, Max. All right.
Yeah. Alright, so another one here. Expert.
Let him go.
Nice. Good work, man. Good work. Did I catch them? I catch them with like an expert, you know, man. You hold him? You hold him? Alright, good. Nice. Grab him. Alright. Oh, yeah. Hold on.
Can't hold him.
Yeah, man, let me hold on. We'll put it on the ground. Not let him go now. Can't hold him, man.
Alright, wait.
No, man, go. Alright, that little ball. That's it. I two of them? Oh. Oh, so box cover, see one of you. See my run come so. See me. Test him come now. You catch him? You sure? Yeah. You hold him? Alright. You catch him? You hold him good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, good. Alright, go on, catch him, take him. Alright, so this is a nice little baby one. Yeah, man, because they go and come out. They go come up front. Nice, clean one. Alright, let's look in the bag and see what's going on there. Alright, crab in the barrel, guys. Crab in the barrel. I gotta hold this one in the meantime. This one is the souvenir one. I hold him. Gali, you want to hold him? That's a souvenir crab. You have to be careful, very careful. These fangs will take off your fingers literally. This is a male crab. These are fangs. Extremely careful. Look at this. Let me show you something. If you try to do this, you're gonna grab onto it. Well, thankfully that's not my finger, that's a piece of stick. But that's crap. Dangerous pastime. Alright, they're heading back out towards the seaside, guys. Alright. Beautiful Caribbean sea. Oh, you find one, man? Okay. Hold the bag up. Beautiful Caribbean sea. Look at the contrast. Look at the contrast. From here to here. Wow. Alright guys, so that's the veteran Mexican. Look at him. Now this is skill. That is skill, man. Alright, so you find crab on there?
Yeah.
That deep hole, man.
Yeah, man.
So you feel like you touch him or so?
Holding gang, man.
See, wait, take time, easy him out or so.
Ma fight me, yo.
I fight you. Alright. You have to be careful, you know, man. Mind you cut off your finger, you know. Alright, now art, guy, this is skill. This is art. this is expertise. This is Mexican at his best, trying to catch a crab on his belly. Alright. That one is a bad one, man. I'm gone. Still there. Stay, Alice, stay. You can't come over this side. So you're feeling for you feel him back or the pang, the fang.
The pang on the back.
Okay. Man. This is a fight, man. Man. Mighty God. Mighty God, man. You hold it. So you next cover. A big one, man. So hold on, that's fine. Hold on, Mexican. You know, easy at all, man. Alright, good, good. Look, so we call along something, pang.
Laban ya.
Pang. A dangerous fight, you have to fight him, man.
Yes, man.
So what? Oh, yeah. That is true, man. So hold on now. So hold on, you're not afraid to bite you, sir? Are you holding me can't bite you? Man, that's a big one. Our man one.
Man, one.
But that one is supposed to worth $1 million, man. Oh, we have to fight for that one, eh?
Man.
Your belly.
Laban nyo.
That one did it.
Bikin nyo.
Eh?
May bikin.
Cover. Hold on. Close the bag. Bag like one of them run out there. What's the bag? Let's try to do that now.
Wait, do.
Yeah. Let's try to feel him.
Yes, man. Papa will be to him.
Papa fin to them. All right, man. Boy, Mexican, you're easy at all, man. Man, on your knees and your belly, man, forget him. My God. Jeez. I must that it, man. I'm not think no more in the night. Another one in there? Oh, yeah, I want gold mine to find, man. 3 of them. All right, so hold on. You want me to take that one to find you?
Yes.
You put them in that bag. Hold on. Find the third one. Why you're easy at all, man. You're easy at all. So hold on, you have to be careful, man.
Bite me no.
Watch him. See my back of your finger there, man. Back of your finger. Catch him. Hold him back, man. We can't hold him back. What? Come on. Yeah. Fight. What? It's a fight. No, man. No more kind, man. A tree that come out that already.
Yes, man. We can tell for sometime, you know.
Eh? That one big hole, that one.
Yeah, man.
So, are you digging a while ago?
Yes, man.
Man, I hold it for that one. Man. Mighty God. For that, man. 3 and 1. You have to go up on your belly if you catch him.
I tell you.
Alright, see a bigger one here, Ali, a soldier crab. See another bigger soldier crab here. Here you go, guys. Soldier crab. That's the one in the shell. We call it the soldier crab. That's what we know it as, certainly. Alright, that's Ali's soldier crab. That's my soldier crab. Look at the contrast, guys. Oh, in there?
Yeah.
The back?
Done, yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright. Okay, bite your hand. Oh, yeah, okay.
You see him? Yes, Indy.
You see him? Okay, cool. Alright, you have to be careful now, man.
You know.
Careful, man. Careful. See, you hold him pang.
Sugar, come near, Sugar. Come near, Sugar. Oh, yeah, there. Come on and throw the bag before we eat him raw.
Yeah. Alright. You hold the pang. I want a big one, no? No, that's a big, medium size one.
But I put one on the side. I don't want him to put the palm.
You have to skill. Coming up. Coming up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Get him fire, Sugar.
Figure roast him.
Then down we gonna go in back.
Man, oh you know a man again?
See there.
Oh, because you're saying it in so wide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Man crab. Alright.
One.
Oh, you catch him. Alright, you know me go ask him. Here. Me go ask.
It is well much.
Man, the next one you know this right. Alright guys, a lot of you watching want to know how to catch a crab. So
Okay.
let me ask the experts here now.
When you come in at the morass,
Yeah.
I see the hole, you just dig it.
Just
And
dig.
yeah, because if I see a hole, in crawl up on the hole, so
Yeah.
I dig a hole
Yeah.
in there, they're always in the hole.
Always in the hole.
Yeah, they're always in the hole.
No,
No, I mean, not in the hole, and they don't leave, but
If
they
I
come
look
up when the
at the
hole
hole
full up, but I don't see them go back down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you dig, but you have to careful. But you have to
You have to
kind
be
of.
careful how you put your hand down in the hole, because they will bite you.
So how you put your hand in the hole?
Okay.
Show them again,
No,
let's try.
if I see when I gang,
Yeah.
like if you see this one or any one of them, you just hold the side. If you hold the side, he can't bite you.
Oh, hold the side of the gang
Yeah.
like that.
Just like this.
If you
Alright,
want to hold
okay.
him so,
Okay, cool.
so he can't bite you.
So hold it. I normally hold it. Oh, like that.
Yeah, yeah.
What? I'm on. I didn't know. Speed something, there, man.
No water temperature, man.
Oh.
So normally, so if you can get to hold him so and dry him up so he can bite you so.
Oh,
You
okay.
understand?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
till you
okay.
can hold on for the next one. Yeah, man.
Okay, okay. So you
Yeah.
can hold one side.
Yeah,
I normally hold the back like that. So
yeah, but if you hold it back, you're okay.
Alright, so that's my
Yeah.
favorite way to hold the crab there. You hold it
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Alright. So
Yeah.
that way him can never bite
He
you.
can't bite you so.
But if you push hand in the hole,
Yeah,
push hand in the hole to pull him out.
yeah.
You try to hold the
Yeah, one
pang.
side.
What you call it? The pang.
The pang, yeah.
The pang. You
Hold
hold the
one
pang.
side or the
This
gang.
thing,
gang.
this thing is dangerous, guy. Let me
Yeah,
show you.
man.
Let me show you that this thing don't play. Look. Look at that. You gotta grab it and pull it. Try to pull it down. See that? Alright, so that's how you catch a crab. See,
Yeah.
you dig the hole.
The hole.
This in case where there's no water in there. Because usually when there's rain, they run out the hole.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll show them in hole before you dig it.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
it looks like.
Alright, so this is okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so dig that one and get him out.
Yeah.
I hear someone dig it from me now.
Yeah.
Dig it from here, so.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going for some. Dig it and find him over here.
Oh, so the hole actually start here.
Yeah.
But you
And
feel
end
the
up-
hole and then
Yeah.
you realize the hole actually end up
end
over
up
here.
over there, because I'm searching for and find where it's gone.
Okay,
And
okay,
follow
good.
it.
Good. How to it takes some training though, not so easy as how it sounds. It takes some practice, eh?
Yeah, easy man, I'm trained.
You have to train practice. Okay, cool.
Because I'm still, because they will bite you up.
Okay, alright guys, that's Dennis, expert crab hunter here. At the morass.
No, man, I breed out, man. No, you have a power. No, man.
Take a picture.
I'm breed out, man.
Alright, so this is says
You bite you, man.
so this is says feet careful man.
But
Yeah, the
bite you.
cleaning.
No, I look keep egg in there.
No, man.
No, egg, then egg that, the black something.
No, this a come red, you know.
Wait,
No, when you cook it, it'll come red, man.
This one.
Yeah.
What is that?
It is a part of
No,
the
No egg.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
When you lay out,
Yeah.
then may come out.
Okay, on family already.
Yeah, when I lay out.
Okay. Alright guys.
Yeah, man.
Big one. Nice. So this is the one, a female one this?
Yeah, yes, man. Man.
How you know again?
No, see, the pan.
Hmm?
The pan, you see?
Uh-huh.
Small like this.
Okay, the palm small.
Yes.
Alright guys, so this is Mexican cousin and expert crab hunter in the village.
That's right.
Alright, I want to ask you let me find out from you. First of all, how you catch a crab? A lot of people want to know how you catch a crab. How you catch a crab Mexican? I do this for years, man.
Years, man, years.
Hey, how you do it?
We dig the hole, you know. Now shoot my hand down there.
Yeah man, but you're not afraid it sit and bite off your hand, man.
I'm not very in it.
Wait.
Long time I catch it.
Yeah, but I assume you get a lot of bites.
Yeah, man, I say I make bite.
Huh?
I say I make it bite.
You get a bite a while ago.
Mm.
But you never bite, well obviously them not cut off your finger, but these crab will tear off the finger if they can, man.
And they never tear off my finger, you know.
Okay. But you're not afraid?
No, sir.
So what you feel for when you push in your hand in the hole there? Because you don't see the crab, you just know there's a crab in the hole.
That's right.
So how you get out there? How you push? Is there a style you put it, or you put your finger in it?
Let me tell you, see who it is, sir. See who it is, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Let me dig some fine.
Okay, so you dig a little away from the hole.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you follow where sound hollow.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you dig and then when you put your hand in there you feel
him, he got this and this.
Oh, the pang we call it.
Yes, the palm, yeah.
Because if you hold the pang, then you hold him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes, right.
Okay. Lovely. All right, let me ask you. All right, so guys, as I said to you, this Mexican here, I've been doing the crab hunting for years. How long are you going to do it? How long are you doing it? First of all, how long are you doing it, Mexican? How long are you doing the crab?
You know so long?
Yeah, man, I know. Girl, the first time, guys, I did this, I was about 12 years old with this man. I was a little boy at the time.
Mm-hmm.
And you know how old I am now.
Mm-hmm. And every year me come.
Every year.
Mm-hmm.
Every year.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably about what? About 50 years?
Yes.
More than that?
More than that.
A lot of years, man.
And me come look at how you when I come as a little boy.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yes. But you never catch it and me catch it for me. Sumala.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, catch crab.
Yes.
So how much more longer you going to catch crab, man? You're a big man now still, you know?
Yes, but me catch it.
You still like as long as you live?
Yes, man. As long as me can come.
As long as they come and catch crab. Alright, so we love the vibe. Alright, guys, that's Mexican man, expert crab hunter here. This gentleman teach most of the guys in the hills how to catch. All of them how to catch crab, how to catch a crab down here. Look at the seaside here. Alright, sir. Good. So here's a good example. Mexican. Just find a little hole here. Which suggests that there's a crab here somewhere. And so he's digging outside, trying to find where it's hollow. And then kind of navigate his way from there, right? So follow. That sound like him, man. Eh? Like him. Okay. Okay. So burrow through. So okay. So we burrow through the sand usually. Him?
Are you not sabi him?
I tell you.
See me?
Yeah, man. Okay, good. I him. Yeah, be careful now. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, alright, so look one. Alright, so that's the pang you hold it, or you hold it at the back. Nice. In my move, man.
Yes.
So this is a good example, guys, of how you catch a crab. So you look at the hole, and then you burrow through, and then you dig until you sight him, which is as we are doing right now. That's the crab right there. Right? Oh, that's a huge pang, man. That's what we call it, the pang. Alright, so you hold on to the pang and then try to pull him up. It can be a dangerous venture. So be careful.
Daddy, this one is come out, Daddy.
Alright. Oh, it's a small. Oops! Careful. A small one. But you're not afraid at all, man. Oh, there's no more there.
Yes.
Another one, did it?
Yes.
Alright. Ali.
There's that one fall out there.
No, that is a.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, the bag is getting a little heavy. Look at that. Crab in the barrel, crab in the bag. So there's another one there. Okay, so this one is not so bad. This is the second one from this hole. The expert is pulling up. Notice that.
It's now at the she.
The she.
And she pan it broad.
Okay. The pan broader.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, guys, so this is the hall. This is Dennis. Original, yeah. How much you have there now? About
More dozen man in them.
more than a dozen. Alright, so nice, healthy one in there.
Yeah.
I come up good. Alright, let me see the king now. What king Mexican there?
In the pin I care about it.
Mexican. Alright, so this is a alright, so this is a Dennis. So the desert.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So food that.
No, my one is could go.
So food it.
Go.
Oh, okay. This is a Mexican man. Alright, guys. So I was gonna feel a little embarrassed to tell her that I come to crab walk and I can't get a crab. Right?
So this,
This is the one I catch.
you catch the biggest one in
Yeah, yeah, the biggest one too.
The biggest one.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Hiding. Alright guys, so I learned from Mexican how you hold him, right? Especially these crab. This is what is gonna kill you. This thing here. So you hold him on the back, like this, and grab him and take him up. Alright, this is it, right? That's how you hold him.
Same story.
Same stuff. Alright, hold him.
So you can't see no learn.
No, can't say me no learn. Become a crab bush. I'm gonna catch a crab. The biggest crab. Alright. The biggest one is. Alright, nice. Alright, and see the other one here, guys. Two of them. Actually catch two of them. Show them up. Show them up. This is the other one. Yeah, man.
Yeah, grandfather of the crab.
This is the grandfather for the crab. This is Mexican. Original grandfather family.
Alright.
Same way. Crab hunter. Alright, so let me hold the two of them and me catch again. Show you. Yeah, man, hold him, man. Hold him.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we have a good time here.
We have a good time. We learn it. Alright, guys, well, I have a little bonus for you. We didn't get to cook crab while we were after we hunted the crabs, but on our way back, I ran into a gentleman cooking crab on the side of the road. And this is what it looks like. Authentic Jamaican. And what you see inside there now is pimento. What else in there, brother? Salt, pimento,
And
pepper.
yeah, pepper.
Pepper, salt, pimento leaf, and thyme. That's how we run it. Basically, you boil the water first,
Yeah.
season the water, and boil, and then when the water boil, you drop the crab them in there.
Yeah, right. That's it what I should have.
Oh, if you put it in the cold, it's two them shut off.
You're right, guys. So it can get hot, warm,
Yeah.
then start to shut off it. So you put it in hot.
Boiling.
Yeah, boil.
Alright, that's it, guys. That's the bonus for you. Cooking the crab. Jamaican style. Alright, guys. So there you have it. Crab hunting in Jamaica. Man, what do you make of it? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing what I call the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed real Jamaica.